Anyway guys, we are going to assemble emergency light. This is 60 by 60, 30 watts LED lights, and this is the battery, 3.2 volts drive. This is the e-balas. I already finished this one guys, connect, but I will going to explain to you. This one guys already have a level. This one battery plus and minus, then LED. This one live neutral switch. So first we are going to connect the battery. This one guys, red is the battery positive and the black is the negative guys. And this one guys is positive going to positive balas, negative going to negative in the drive. Then the LED negative and positive connect. Red guys is positive, black is the negative. Then the other side of the drive guys, this is live. This one going to supply. The next is neutral going to this one neutral. Together the neutral in the balas. This one guys. Then this one is switch live. 220 to 240 volts. This one connected to switch this one wire. Then this switch live output 30 milliamperes going to this one guys, live from balas. Then indicator lights red and green, but we use this black because we don't have a green color wire, but this one is red. So that's all guys. So we have to testing this guys. We have to install this one, so if this one is working. So that's all guys. We have to try this one guys, if this one is working. Let's go. So guys, this is the emergency light, have already labeled. So we try this one guys. If you off the switch guys, that one connection, she will be off also, the light will off. Then if you on from the switch, it's working. So we try to switch off the main breaker if the emergency light working. Now guys, the breaker is off, so the emergency light is working. So that is the purpose guys. If the main supply is off, then the lights will working. Even the switches, if you on off, still the light is not on because already off the main supply. If you on the breaker guys, for the supply it will be off. Okay, so that is the principle guys of the emergency light. Okay, thank you for watching. That's all guys.